watching the cooking series. Let's join Romilo at his small kitchen. Warm greetings, you're here in Eindhoven. Romilo, and surprise, I have international guests today. Someone from Holland and from Vietnam, so it's an opportunity for me to showcase our quick recipes. What am I cooking tonight? It's just fried anchovies, fried Dilis. Not Dilis, Dilis. Not Dilis. Dilis, to put it right. And the ingredients, just anchovies or Dilis, flour, salt and pepper, just that. And to finish it, well, for serving, we'll be needing lemon. And to deep fry it, of course, we need oil. Very simple. It's easy, we just have to smother the fish, the anchovies, with flour, salt and pepper. Flour. Some salt. That al gusto. And then pepper. Maybe that one or that much. And we're good. Mix it. Done. We'll put the anchovies here, or Dilis portion, or batch by batch, just to have them covered with the flavoring. Look. This is Henk, my guest. Henk, in Spanish his name would be Enrico. In English it would be Henry. Okay. But in Dutch he is Henk. His black hair, he's not a typical Dutch. I don't know where he got those black hairs. So he will be cooking our, what's this again? Fried anchovy. Okay, pour the oil, Henk. Higher. And yeah, much oil. We have to deep fry this, so more of that. Thank you. And now we're joined by our friend from Vietnam. His name is Duc. Yeah. Say it, okay, Duc. So let's show the world that foreign guys can cook Filipino food. It's easy. So we'll just have to fry those. The anchovy or the Dilis. Yeah, deep fry. And that's, we should be calling this kasele, cozy cooking together.
All of them?
I think that would be it. We need, our friend is asking if we have to put all this. Yeah. We need spaces in between. Yeah.
Alright. I love this kind of fish.
Do you have that in Vietnam also?
Nay. No, but I had it in Japan when I was
in Japan, yeah. By the way, our friend Duc is a chemist, so he knows flavors.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, this, by the way, this fish is very abundant in the Mediterranean.
Really?
And in Malaga, that's why the Malagueños, the people from Malaga, are called, how are they called? Boquerones. Boquerones, yeah. Because this is their favorite, and this fish is abundant in Malaga.
And can we buy it here?
Yeah, I bought this at the Turkish shop.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, and you can also go to the Saturday restaurant, Saturday market. It's available.
Yeah.
And they're usually from Portugal.
Yeah.
And this is from Turkey.
Super lekker, huh?
Yeah, lekker. Just fry it like that, and then eat it, or some drops of olive oil, not olive oil, of lemon,
yeah,
and beer. Heavenly.
Yeah, lekker.
Yeah, lekker. See?
Also with fish sauce, I guess.
Fish sauce? Fish with fish sauce? that needs some explaining.
Why not? Like a sweet fish sauce? Or yeah, lemon with pepper and salt.
Okay. Now the camera with me. Here. Did you hear that, Flip people? He wants to dip fried fish into patis or fish sauce.
Nay, eat together with fish sauce.
Oh, together with fish sauce.
Yeah, it's like something like Swiss fish sauce outside. Like,
Okay, now I understand.
Yeah.
With
No,
Southeast
not deep
Asian
fried.
flavor.
Yeah.
Southeast Asian flavor. I still didn't get it.
Yeah. But
we
believe
ferment
me,
this for
Believe me,
hours.
my grandfather is a chef, and then he's really, I get his genes.
Okay, now we have an authority.
Yeah.
We should be hosting him more
You should
here.
believe me.
We should ask him to be doing more cooking, not just this boring anchovy. Next time,
It's ready.
then you can scoop them out or ladle them out.
Like this?
Yes, anyway.
These will not shrimp anymore.
Quicker, Henk, otherwise we'll burn it.
Oops. Yeah.
Quicker! You're too gentle.
I don't like it raw. Yes.
Further away, higher. Now it's my turn to ladle out the anchovies. Close up, Henk, here. That's the quick way, Henk. And that. I'll put more of this. I'm not waiting for that. This next would might surprise our Vietnamese friend. Duc, come here and get surprised. In the Philippines and in the Mediterranean, we always have something sour, vinegar or lemon on our dishes. Yeah, so that's what we're doing.
Good.
It's fresh, huh? Wouldn't you believe it? Yeah. It's bitter eaten with the head on and with Sunday radler. Okay. Good on. Yeah. Oh. Now, how do we drink radler?
All that.
Not against the light. I don't have a big glass, so yan. Smack it up. More coming. Take care. Yeah. And anything. Oh yeah. This is best eaten. I mean the anchovy with beer or white wine. Oh, life is beautiful, huh? And these are our instant tapas, our fried anchovies and eggplant omelette. Yeah. Thank you for joining us and thank you for your visit, Henk and Duc. It's been a wonderful afternoon, and also to our audience, to our friends on YT or YouTube, thank you for watching us. And until next time, perhaps at the garden or elsewhere. Yeah. Until next time, bye bye. Dios te guarde.